Hello, my name is David Walla-Widnick, here at BC Liquor. I want to make for you something that you're probably not expecting right now. It's a cocktail called Maple Pancake. Yes, you heard that right. Imagine your dreamy morning pancakes are topped with luscious whipped cream and a drizzle of maple syrup while you're sipping on your delicious morning coffee. Well, I've combined all of these flavors in a cocktail. Yes, using the Cabot Maple Cream as that creamy, mapley base. Then, the grains of that pancake are in the Canadian Club 12-year-old whiskey. Now, Canadian Club is a corn base with barley and rye. The rye adding a nice little kind of spicy edge to it. We're gonna finish that off with a little bit of espresso. So, let's show you how to make one. Start by taking a cocktail shaker and 2 ounces, which is 60 mils, of your Cabot Maple Cream Liqueur. So 2 ounces here. It sounds like it's going to be an overly sweet drink, and it won't be because that espresso is going to pull back on that little bit of sweetness. Then 3/4 of an ounce, which is 22 mils, of the Canadian Club 12-year-old. Just like that. And finishing it off with 15 mils or half an ounce of espresso. Just like that. All right, now let's get some ice in the shaker and finish off the cocktail. What a great brunch idea, or maybe an after dinner drink. Really, the choice is yours. Now, after shaking this up, we're going to put it into this beautiful glass. Just like that. I like when the shaker's nice and cold and frothy. Now, this next step, you can either pour it straight into the glass if you wish. I want to filter out those nice little ice shards that have come off of the ice cubes. And hold that back just a little bit. There we go, that's about right. Now we don't want to go all the way to the top, so make sure you pick a glass where you have a little bit of room at the top. This way, the whipped cream is going to come next. Now this is an ISI whipped cream canister. Make sure if you load one of these, don't shake it super vigorously, otherwise your whipped cream will be super chunky. And we want to have it, I just want to kind of get it down into the tip there. We want a nice smooth appearance. Go on there, just load this on up. This is your moment of indulgence. Set that to the side. Now, to accentuate that little maple flavor, I'm gonna drizzle a little bit of maple syrup over top. So take a little bit and, just gently drizzle that right over top. Oh my God, that looks so gorgeous. Okay, espresso beans. 1, 2, 3, one for health, wealth, and longevity. And why not? Top it off with a little mini pancake. And that, my friends, is the Maple Pancake cocktail. I'm David, here at BC Liquor. I look forward to seeing you again real soon.